I've got a tip for tax planning enthusiasts, young and old. Go ahead and Google IRS e-news subscriptions. That'll take you to a page, or you'll find a page that looks like this. And this allows you to sign up for email updates from the IRS directly. The two big ones I would recommend for sure, there's a whole list, but IRS Newswire and IRS Guidewire. Those are the ones that are going to give you updates like what we got recently, which is updates on new brackets, changes to tax laws. An IRS newsletter email did hit the inbox of tax planning enthusiasts everywhere on Thursday, October 9th, 2025. It included new tax brackets, standard deduction amounts, this is for 2026, the AMT exemption amounts, the foreign earned income exclusion, updated adoption credits and earned income credit amounts, and also the phase outs for the earned income credit. It's like pages of stuff, actually. And before you even ask, the answer is yes, we have already updated the calculations behind scenario analysis in Holistiplan, which means in turn, we've already updated the calculations behind the Roth projection tool. They use the same underlying tax engine. So we've got you covered there. One interesting thing I'll point out about the 2026 tax brackets is the inflation adjustments for the 10 and 12% brackets in 2026 versus 2025. So here on screen, I've got, this is for married filing joint taxpayers. You can see the tops of the 2020, the 22, all the way up through the 35% brackets. There's no top of the 37% bracket. That goes on forever. But the top of those brackets, those went up by 2.27% from 2025 to 2026. The 10 and 12% brackets, those inched up by a 4% inflation adjustment. And we expected this to happen. So the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, which was passed July 4th, 2025, had a provision that said, yes, in 2026 alone, so this is the one-time thing, basically the way the math works, it's kind of complicated, but my understanding is like the base year for setting all of the inflation adjustments was set to be 2016 for this year. So we kind of had like an extra little year of inflation tacked on this year, but it was really like the inflation from 2016 to 2017. Anyway, it's complicated. But the point is, we have fatter 10 and 12% brackets now in 2026. And what's interesting to me is now the married filing joint bracket for 12% actually goes into six figures now. It's over $100,000 of taxable ordinary income. But there it is. If you subscribe to the IRS updates on those IRS e-news subscriptions, you will have received an email that says, yes, we've got the new brackets for 2026. Have no fear. That is all programmed into Holistiplan already. So go ahead and take a look at that within scenario analysis, and you will see those updated 2026 inflation amounts in the 10 and 12% brackets.